Hi dear, please look at this one. This is a regular switch, plus and minus, without a light. It's called on the app Master Switch. This one, okay? We have here a big chandelier with also the switch light that control it. On the app, it's called chandelier. Now, I will go to Master Switch. Associate and put chandelier. Check if it's okay. Save. Back. And now, once I control the switch, the master switch, it's turning on and off. So again, the master slave switch is, I don't know, I don't need to use it. I can use a regular one gang switch, cheaper. This is check and advice. Thanks.